So today we are going to determine Planck constant, which is a physical constant, and its value is already known, 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, which plays a vital role in quantum physics. Okay, so today we are going to estimate its value experimentally. So to determine its value, we need a certain set of apparatus like power DC power supply, millimeter, digital multimeter, resistor, and different known wavelength LEDs. Okay, we are going to connect LEDs in forward bias through DC power supply. So here we can see this is our DC power supply, which is connected in series with a resistance of 1 kilo ohm, around 1.5 kilo ohm, and in forward bias a light emitting diode is connected. So here we can see, and we will note down new voltage across LEDs. Okay, so here we can see physically how these circuits are designed on breadboard. So here, so this is our DC power supply, and it is connected through a resistance in series, and a series is also connected through LED in series. Okay, so and all the connections are in forward bias. So one thing we have to keep in mind, so there are two arms of a LED, okay, and greater length having positive, and shorter length having its negative terminal. Okay, so we have to connect a longer one to positive terminal of a power supply and negative to negative. Okay, so now our setup is ready. Okay, so now we will supply voltage to our light emitting diode through DC power supply. Okay, so we know there is a potential barrier in a PN junction diode. So after a certain voltage only light emitting diode will glow. Okay, so now let's see what will be that voltage, and that voltage is called new voltage, and in this experiment we are going to find out new voltage. This is our observation table which we are going. So here we can see we have seen different LED like red, yellow, green, and we can also use another one, and here we have mentioned their corresponding wavelength, and we are going to measure a new voltage across our LEDs, so which we will find out here. Okay, so now let's supply voltage to our LEDs. So LED just started glowing at around 2.2 DC power supply. Okay, so when we will supply more, it will start more glowing. Okay, so now we will check new voltage across LEDs. So we will measure using our DMM. Okay, so here we can see it is coming around 1.75 volt. So now our new voltage for a green LED is around 1.75 volt. Okay, so here using this formula sheet we know for a photon energy is equal to h nu, which is also equal to sc over lambda, and if we are giving a B voltage to these LED, so that energy equals to EV is equal to sc over lambda. So using this formula we can simplify this as a H is equal to EV lambda over C. Here E is electronic charge, which is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. C is speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and V is our new voltage, and lambda is known for a particular LED. Okay, so we can estimate H values for different LEDs like green, yellow, red. Okay, so and we will find out here these values, and then we will take average. So your H value, which is already known to 1.6 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So your value should come close to this one.